Kiba hayang asam jong uba Eric Bramley lingdo mentaka arpsal trik ajar arpuar haringkat ke jingat lang bat ke office Meghalaya's Chief Minister ka kunhun kinong tem samasal bat ke Meghalaya Model United Nations kala pelong ya ka jingrakhe ya ka jingdap sanphosnam ka jingyo jilla bapura ka Meghalaya. Ha kani ka sngi kala donru ka jing Pynkupburom ya saungun ki Dkhot ke Nvda kiba kentup ya uba AS Maulong uba Sharai Nongbri uba True Man lingdo bat uba Augustin Marbanyang. Habakran ha kani ka sngi Director ka Arts and Culture uba Frederick Karkongor ulaong ba ka kunhun bayalam do ba Eric Bramley lingdo kamdei ka kunhun san hima ndrei ka ka kunhun ka bayalam yaki pat ba banyasai na ka benta banyo yala ka jong hajalang uba Frederick ulaong ba ka Nvda lingba kinong yalam ba per kala thau yaki jingruai yaki poetry bar ka ne kala pelung mensim yaki pat ba bandan benta banya snok tilang bar ka kunhun uba Eric Bramley lingdo banya kun banyo ka jilla ka bapura.
Ba Sharai Nongbri and ba Augustin Marbanyang.
In gathering the masses. In this regard, he composed his songs Pinkre Samla and Ki Samla Rilom, specifically for the Hill State movement. A few verses from the song Pinkre Samla reads: Ko Samla Bashlur Bashinrang Jungi Kinmao Banyai Pili Ka Jingranti Te Ladangin Trailang Umdon Jing E Bankang Ko Longme Jungi Nong Sumar Jungi Ya Jet Pinrio Jungi Kitbok Kitriang To Duai Lem Mapi Ninyeng Yele Mangi. This song was one of the rallying cries of the Nvda movement, and it aims at unifying the youth towards the struggle for the Hill State. It was also a reminder to the Khasi Jaintia men and women that despite the various challenges and the tasks at hand, that they are together collectively to come in unison to fight the challenge by non-violent means, by prayer and by supplication, their support towards achieving the goal of having the Hill State.